Hello everyone, welcome to another demonstration video of the Endelevu platform. As you are well aware, one of the functions the platform serves is crowdfunding for social projects, and in this video we'll look at how the projects being crowdfunded for are documented. So you search on your preferred web browser Endelevu.africa, or if you're having the app, which can be downloaded on Google Play. Having watched the previous video on registration, so as you can see I've not logged out, so let me log out so that I log in. When I log in, enter my email address, the one I used in registration, then my password, which should only be known to me. So this is the home page. So our interest today is this project's interface. Or at the moment we're having 3 projects being crowdfunded for, and they are all active. It means you can be able to donate either cash or materials to this project. In this particular demonstration, I'll use this first project, the removal of asbestos and roofing at Makongeni Primary School, to demonstrate the documentation. So I click view. This is what appears. First of all, there's a small description here of the need at the school. And it also gives the location, the name of the school, and all the details on the infrastructure need the school has. When you need more information, you click here to find more information. It opens up to a PDF file that has more details on the project. Then right below the definition, the description, there is a GPRS location of the school, so that the projects we are supporting are existing, so we are not crowdfunding for fictitious projects. Besides the GPRS location of the school, we have a small audio visual, a video, a short audio visual of the infrastructure need at the school, that people can be able to watch and easily capture the need and interact with it so that they can support. Below the identifications of the location and the need of the school, the needs at the school, we have the breakdown of the materials needed for the project, and as well the cash needed. So under the materials, we have the identification, the item, the particular material. We have the quantity needed for that material, the quantity received here, documents or records the quantity that have been donated of that particular material. Then once that is recorded in the system, it automatically deducts, and that is how we arrive at this figure here of pending. At the moment, as you can see, the quantity needed is 57, received is 0, pending is 57. That means none has been received for that particular project, and that applies to all the others as well. With the large number of materials you're having for this particular project, we can be able to search material by name here. So if you're looking, for example, a gutter outlet, you need to know how many, so that it informs you on how many you can donate. So you can see here, gutter outlet, you have 20 needed, none has been received so far, and 20 are still pending. And then below the material breakdown, we have the material donations that have been received. So here we document the name of the donor of this particular material, the item, that is the material they have donated, the quantity of this particular material they have donated, and the value of these materials. Then we have the delivery status for that particular material, whether it is pending, it has been delivered, or it is still being processed from the office end to be delivered. Still here we can search by name of donor, because we'll be having very many material donors to this particular project. Since none has been done so far, I can go to search any name. Below the material breakdown and material donations, we have the cash donations received. Here we document the name of the donor, as you can see here, the amount that they have donated to this particular project, the payment mode. As at the moment, the system allows or accepts donations through PayPal, through M-Pesa, and through bank as well. Then it also documents the date and the time of that donation, so that we are having clear records of that particular support that the individual or organization is giving. to this particular project. Below that, we have the donation progress bar. On the materials, it is 0% because none has been donated so far, as we've seen above there. On the cash donation progress bar, we are at 1% because so far we have received 10,160 shillings out of the 1,935,000 that is needed for the project. So the total value of the materials plus the cash needed for this project gives us the total cost of the project. Another very important thing on the project documentation is the update on the progress. So here we document every activity that is taking place in relation to this project. As you can see here, the first activity that took place was a meeting at the head teacher's office to discuss how this project is going to be realized. Then below it, we have the receipt of the environmental impact assessment for this particular project because it involves asbestos, and there needs to be that assessment done to be able to know. Below the documentation, we have here the categorization of the sponsors, which will be in our next video, and it can be accessed in our resources under the sponsorship packages. Thank you.